Hi, my name's Tom. This is my brand new dining room set, and I got the entire thing delivered to me from Amazon. This is 4 chairs and a 36-inch table. I got the whole thing delivered from Amazon. It's different sets. There's sets of 2 chairs. They come in different colors. And then I had the table also delivered. I bought them. I'm going to tell you all about them. First, let's talk about the table itself. It is a 36-inch round table. This is the espresso black. There are multiple colors as well. It is pretty heavy duty. It is solid wood. It's not plastic or anything like that. It's fairly heavy. The way it comes, you got a giant table like this, and then you get the middle post and the legs all in a separate box. They're really easy to put together. There is just 8 screws, I think, in the middle there. And then you screw up beneath. You screw the table to the post, pretty straightforward. You do get wrenches for all of that. You can use your electric drill or electric wrench of some sort, but it really wasn't that difficult. It took me about 15 minutes to put together. This particular table does have a little bit of a texture to it. It looks like wood. It's a little bit thicker than a wood grain. It's actually kind of nice. It has a nice feel to it. The only thing is that if you're going to be drawing or writing right on it, you don't want to do that because the texture itself is raised just enough to kind of mess up your pen as it goes over a piece of paper. But obviously you can go ahead and use a laptop or anything else on here, put down a pad of paper and you're fine. We have actually eaten many meals here already. We've played card games and board games here, and we've sat here and had a couple drinks, and it works really, really well. Again, this is only 36 inches, so it's kind of a smaller side, but that fits well in our little apartment area. It just gives you plenty of room to put stuff down, to use it, and then to go ahead and move chairs around as well. And these are our chairs. They are incredibly comfortable. I was a little bit nervous about getting them from Amazon, but they come mostly assembled. You just have to put the 4 legs on, and then you will just basically screw the back into the seat. It takes a little while to get them just right. You will have a little tool, but I want you to show you kind of the quality here. This is kind of probably a PLU leather, but it's got all the little wooden or little metal studs. It looks very, very nice. This cushion is padded and it has a basket weave underneath. I'll show you that in a second. They are solid cushions. They are solid chairs. They will not fall apart. They feel pretty strong to me. Here's what the chair looks like underneath. Just so you know, there are little instructions here, but it does come with little paper instructions. They come in sets of 2, so I got 2 sets of 2. This is kind of a clever little thing here. The bottom of the chair is just Velcroed on, so I can open that up. And you can see there are real springs down here, real metal coils, so you're not just going to sit and kind of fall through. They are very sturdy chairs, and then here's all the bolts that you have to install. These legs can go in a couple different ways. You want to make sure you put them in so they kind of slightly angle outward from the chair, just barely. You do not want them angling inward. I think some of the problems that people have had with these chairs is that the legs themselves can fit in multiple ways in here, and you can flip them around. You just got to make sure they're all sitting outwards. But once you kind of get them in, you kind of tighten these things in, and it does work pretty well. It takes a little bit to assemble the chairs. The table was super easy. The chairs took a little longer, obviously, just because of more bolts, and because they are a little bit more finicky. There's short bolts and there's slightly longer bolts, and you have to make sure you use the right ones in the right place. We've had the table and chairs for about a month now. The table wipes down real easily. The chairs wipe down real easily. It's just a great sturdy set. You can go ahead and mix and match colors if you want. That's fine. But it all came from Amazon, and the way they come and the way you have to assemble them, it's just so much better than going and dealing with furniture store people and salesmen and delivery fees and schedules. This buying this stuff from Amazon, buying furniture from Amazon in general is really, really a pretty easy experience, and the whole set is highly recommended.